Hey there, this is Catherine Magana, and today I'm going to cover what does a financial plan include. A financial plan is designed to help you make the best use of your money and help you achieve your long-term financial goals, whether it be saving for college for your kids or grandkids, perhaps you want to buy a bigger home or downsize, or maybe it's living comfortably in retirement or buying or selling a business. A financial plan is really designed to help you reach your financial goals and what's important to you based on your life. Financial plans include looking at savings and investment strategies. We look at your debt management. We factor in life insurance, taxes, retirement planning, estate planning, and much more. A financial plan isn't a set template. It's really designed for you specifically. A licensed financial planner will help you with your goals and objectives and really lay out this plan for you along with some action steps. Typically, a financial plan includes looking at retirement strategies. And if you're in retirement right now, then that may include what are your retirement income sources? Or if you're approaching retirement, do you have enough money saved to live comfortably for the rest of your life? Or perhaps you're saving right now and accumulating money for retirement later. And through the financial planning process, we figure out, are you saving enough or how much do you need to be saving to replace your income? In the financial plan, we also factor in risk management, and what that means, we look at life insurance. Do you have enough life insurance or do you need disability insurance? What about long-term care insurance or your personal liabilities, maybe perhaps an umbrella policy? There's several different types of insurance, but that's part of the financial planning process, is making sure that you're not missing any of those insurance needs. Then there's a long-term investment plan. So based on your specific goals and objectives and your risk tolerance, what types of investments would be best for you to reach your long-term or short-term goals? And so it's a tailored specific investment plan or programs designated specifically for you. Then there's the tax reduction strategy. So whether if you need to reduce your personal taxable income, or perhaps you're in retirement, there's some different strategies and things that we can look at depending on the tax code. Some of the things that we look at over the years are, do you need to consider IRAs or Roth conversions? So those are some things that we factor in when we look at your financial plan and the tax planning. Then the estate plan. So do you currently have a will or a trust? What about your powers of attorney? Do you have a power of attorney for financial? Or what about your healthcare directives? Those are just a couple things we look at to make sure you have that in place, as well as, are your assets titled properly? Do you have your beneficiaries in place? And if you don't have an estate plan in place, we do suggest you work with an estate planning attorney. You can write a financial plan on your own, or you can work with a financial professional like myself. And it's not about just having a written financial plan, although we'll give you a written financial plan with some action steps. It's about having those meaningful conversations together and really discussing what's important to you and your life. As Tony Robbins once said, stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach. I'm happy to offer a free 30-minute complimentary consultation to answer any questions and to see if I'm a good fit for you. I appreciate your time and thanks for listening.